How to solve problems with GDPR compliance for UK Ecom stores. Follow the instructions. Audit your data to know what you collect, where it's stored, and if you serve EU customers under GDPR. Clearly state your legal basis for collecting personal data, consent, contract, or legitimate interest. Use opt-in cookie banners that let users accept, reject, or customize tracking preferences freely. Update your privacy policy with transparent, concise info on data use, rights, and third-party sharing. Allow users to access, correct, or delete their data easily via account settings or contact form. Ensure all vendors, e.g. email tools, CRMs, are GDPR compliant with signed data processing agreements. Train staff and review compliance regularly to stay aligned with updates to UK and EU GDPR laws. Thanks for watching.